Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix WDF01000 sys blue screen on Windows 11. We are going to open the command prompt console as administrators. Click Yes to access. There, run a scan of the file system using the command sfc/scano. Press Enter. You can see that the scan for errors will begin. When finished, you will receive notification of whether or not errors were found. Close the console. To finish this process, restart your operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.